Good morning sa inyong lahat, guys. This is Ronald Bicol, and I have a partner here, my kumpare Richard Restum, here at my left side. Now, guys, he asking me if I have an asim. You know what's asim? I don't know what's asim.
May kilig,
Yes.
may kilig pa sabihin.
Ah?
May kilig pa to.
May kunti pa tong asim, kilig.
Alisin ang mas.
Wag.
Tagla yata ito sa ilalim ko.
No, guys, yeah, he is joking only. He's kidding. But I will give them a chance to talk. Hey, Richard, Restum, you want something about my vlog? You want something about my vlog? Do you want something about my vlog?
Yeah, ako ay may something.
Yes, you have.
Utak. Dinistrilyo.
Dinistrilyo, guys.
Tingnan mo naman mga mukha na yan.
Yes. This is Ronald Bicol vlog. That is my kumpare, Richard Restum, first cousin of Dinistrilyo. Yes. Hello to my ka-vloggers. Shout out to Elsa Vlog, to Bless Life, Bugs the Second, Ed Vlog, Jen White, Jennifer Vlog, Mami Madiscarte, yes, Akuya, kay Ronald Vlog, yes, kay Ronald Vlog, shout out sa you guys, and to Jen White, yes, Jen White, shout out. How are you there? And I'm always watching your video, and I always write a comment to your video, guys. Me, this is Ronald Bicol vlog. Hello to all the vloggers all over the world, guys. Thank you for your subscribing me, watching my video, for supporting me to my channel. Thank you very much. Those vloggers that I cannot say the name, sorry, but
Sabihin mo, saan ka na ako magpa-face reveal sa inyo? Saan ka na ako magpa-face reveal sa inyo?
okay, guys, saka na ako magpa-face reveal. Naka-reveal na ako, guys.
Hindi, yung ano ba? Magpapakita na. Inalis na yung mask. Saan ka na?
Guys, I use a mask because there are smoking those area there. So it's bad for me, it's bad to my health, guys. That's why I'm wearing mask.
Sulit naman daw sabihin ko pag tinanggal ko. Hindi naman tayo
Guys, may kumpare, they something that I am a handsome person, but I'm not handsome. Simple and terrible.
Kayo, kung gusto niya akong makita na.
Guys, I'm smiling because he said something, but it's very crazy ball. He said something, guys. It's funny. But he's joking. He's kidding, guys. So, guys, this video that I upload to my channel. Okay, guys, my kumpare said, my kumare is there, guys, there. So maybe after this video, I will go to my kumare Martes Restum. Yes. Okay, guys, here's the background of the area, guys, the area. As well, this is the area of our surrounding. Yes, guys. tayo guys. Madilim guys eh.
Pa din ng ano?
Ha?
Red horse.
Yes, where's the resource?
There.
Do you have, can you give me one please?
O nga nga.
Nga nga. Okay, get it. And guys, this is my friend, sister of my compadre, Restum family.
Don't come there.
Yes, guys, that one. That lady is the sister of my Richard compadre.
Visit ka.
Yes, look at that. She's my comadre, guys. Oh, see? She's very beautiful, pretty, and small but terrible. Okay, so, oh, she's smiling. She's smiling. She's smiling, guys, because she's beautiful. And this is my compadre, Richard Restum. Okay, guys, bye bye, and God bless you all. Thank you very much to all the bloggers, to my supporters, my viewers, those persons who are subscribed and watch my video. Thank you very, very much, and God bless you.